Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are dipping into the Ensleyreign Cold Moon palette again today, and we are going to play in some of the pinkish, purplish tones. So if you would like to see what I create, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, how are you? I'm doing good. I thought I would come back here. I got my little TikTok shirt on and my bra I bought from TikTok that's pink, and I thought I would come back here and play in some of these pink tones out of the Cold Moon palette like I promised. So I am going in with my Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair, and there will be a link in the description where you can purchase. I think I'm going to work in my Refer brushes today. I think the first color I'm going to go in with is Winter Rose, this one right here. And we're going to do a halo eye today. So we're going to take this up here and run it through the crease, but just a little bit above my hooded eye. Now I'm going to take a clean brush. This is the Refer 13. I'm just going to go above what I laid down and blend. I'm adding a second layer of that first shade, and I'm going to go right underneath where I laid that. So now that we have laid that down, we're going to go into Catmint, this one, and I'm going to pick that up with my 14 or 13, Refer 13, and we're going to put this in the outer third and the inner part of the first. And we're just going to blend it into what we already put down, and we're going to meet in the middle. Okay, and now I'm just going to switch off my Refer 15 and we'll just go and blend it all in. I'm liking that so far. Now we are going to get a very teeny tiny brush. I guess we'll go in with this Angie Hot and Flashy A504, and we're going to go into one of these gray colors, Rebirth. We're going to deepen this up just a little bit. We're going to be real careful because we don't want to overpower any of these darker colors. We're just going to deepen it up just a little bit. Okay guys, I am back, and I kind of want to make this deeper than what it is, so I'm going to try this color right here, Mother's Night, and we're just going to put it, yeah, that's darker, I think. We're just going to put a dot. I don't want to, it's kind of more on the brownish side. kind of grayish brown. There we go. And I did dot the middle of my eyes with my clean canvas eye base. That's kind of brown. But if you just do a very little bit at a time, you can bring the depth that you need. This is like a pink gold with a green shift. This is more of what I'm going for. And this is the coin right here. That's this one. I think I am going to go with the purple toned one. And it is Cahoin. All right. I'm going to take a clean finger. I'm going to put that in the middle. And then I'm going to take a clean finger and tap it out. And then we're going to take a lighter color and go on the top. Ooh, I like that one. This is Snow Fairies. So we're going to put a dot in the middle of each one of those. And then I'm going to take my brush from Angie Hot and Flashy, the shimmer brush. I'm telling you what, this picks up shimmer like no other. Like a finger. Now we're going to go back into Cat Mint. And we're going to go in toward the shimmer. And then I want to go into Snowdrop, and this is Snowdrop, and I want to put just a dot right in the middle. Just kind of in a line right down the middle. And then I'm going to go in with the purple liner from Makeup Geek in Royal, our Angie Hot and Flashy smudger brush, the N12, and we're going to blend. Now we're going to go in with Catnip, that same one. I'm going to take the What's Up Beauty Watch Me mascara. I really like their wand, and I like the mascara too. For blush, we're going to go into pinkish purplish blush. So we're going to go into that one and that one. So I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty blush brush. Then I'm going to go into the pink and tap around. Go in with Ecstasy Lip Liner from Gerard Cosmetics. And then we're going to go in with Skinny Dip Hydro Matte Lipstick. Inner corner highlight. And we're going to go into the Forget Me Not palette by Blend Bunny Cosmetics. And we're going to go into Butterflies. We're going to put butterflies at the top of the brow bone. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go into the BelindaMua Dew Wet Balm in shade Rosewater. And I'm just going to take my sponge, a clean part somewhere, and dip it in and tap. I put on half lashes in the style Vivid by the Bright Lashes. I love her lashes. Please go check her out if you don't like putting on a full lash. You will love her half lashes. So this is the end of the video. Did you guys enjoy this look? And did you pick up the Cold Moon palette? I am absolutely in love with this palette. I'm so glad that I finally got to purchase something that I liked, and I will be on the lookout for the next one that they bring out, because these shimmers, ooh, these duochromes, these shifts are insane. And I have a discount code, and it is BelindaMua. It is only a discount code, and it saves you money at checkout if you would like to use it. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.